Hello, my fellow investors. My name is Michael Faraday, and I have some wonderful news, not just for Britain, but for the entire world. As you may know, I've been spending long hours working on a phenomenon known as electromagnetism. You may not know the importance of this, but let me explain. Electromagnetism is the interaction between electrical current and electrical fields and magnetic fields. When a current-carrying wire is placed inside a perpendicular magnetic field, a force is put on the wire perpendicular to the direction of the current. This can be shown by using the left-hand rule, where your index finger is the direction of the magnetic field, your middle finger is the direction of the current, and your thumb is the direction of the force. This can be shown by the picture here, but also with your left hand. Now, this force is very weak on just a thin wire, but if you wrap the wire into a coil, the force could be multiplied. Using this theory, I have developed what I call the DC motor. It consists of a coil of wire suspended in a magnetic field, and when a current is passed through the coil for a certain amount of time per revolution, the coil begins to spin faster and faster. This can be shown in the video that I'm displaying here. As you can see here, the DC motor prototype is spinning. The red probe is the positive lead, and the black probe is the negative lead. There are two disc magnets that are supported by paper clips, as well as the rotor, which is the copper coil, is also supported by paper clips. The two disc magnets have opposing poles facing each other in towards the coil. Now, as power is applied, the coil spins up and then reaches its maximum speed, and this is it spinning, and the power supply is giving it current, which is not constant throughout the whole spin. As the power is being put through the coil is starting to spin faster and faster, and thus electrical motor. Now, with better manufacturing and better materials used, the DC motor could enhance the way we drill holes into wood, hoist materials up tall buildings or cliffs. Anything that will require a human to rotate something could be rotated by an electrical motor. I believe this will have benefits almost anywhere, from health practices to engineering and production, from dentistry with small drills to drilling holes, like I said earlier. The DC motor, I believe, is the future of Britain, and the world is going to be taken by it by storm. Some examples of the DC motor include the use of it in deconstructive manufacturing to hoisting up 800 kilograms using an electric crane. Another example is the use of a drill to bore holes into wood or metal. The possibilities for a DC motor are endless. Thank you.